it's making noise. I am in zone 2. I joined a global health challenge that Samsung put online in Samsung Health, and the challenge is called Snow. And whilst this really fits with the current condition we have here in Munich, and it was challenging to do all of that, I noticed something really interesting. And whilst the challenge itself is sort of beside the point, it is the point. So hear me out. I feel like a Galaxy Watch warrior right now. When using it on day 1, I also took my Apple Watch Ultra 2. In fact, every day I'm using both watches, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 as well as the Galaxy Watch 6, to see if there's any difference. And I noticed something really incredible happening right here, right now. And I am into day 4 for the Snow Challenge. But every single time and every single night I am checking the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and the Galaxy Watch 6 battery status, I noticed that both are pretty much at level. And that is incredible because that was never like this before. And the battery level I had on both watches were around 55% by the end of the day. However, hang on, in order to make it a bit more challenging for the Galaxy Watch 6, because that is the LTE version, which usually has a worse battery life than the normal regular GPS/Bluetooth version. I don't have my Samsung phone with me. I've got my Galaxy Watch 6 right here. It is getting dark and I'm ready to go home. Yeah, peace. Because I want to really put it to the test, not just for the Snow Challenge, but I want to see the battery life improvement. So what that effectively means, when I go out jogging and I'll take both watches out with me, the Galaxy Watch 6 has basically, or is on LTE for around 2 hours while I'm out, and it still holds the battery life compared to the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and that is incredible. And I believe that the latest update has basically fixed the battery drain we all experience, or the battery challenges we all experience, and I am trying to use both watches pretty much at the same level. As for the Galaxy Watch 6, I have everything turned on. Everything is monitoring at the same time, like basically full stop. I don't believe in really shutting everything down. There's no point of having a smartwatch yet. The Galaxy Watch 6, after the update, is holding up to the same level, as the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Pretty much the same usage plus the 2 hours of LTE. Hang on before you go. What Samsung needs to do is they have to push out the very same update for the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 5, because we all know that many of you guys have had all these battery issues problem. I'm here to report that it has been fixed for the Galaxy Watch 6. If that is not your experience, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.